Well, I'm going to come up to you and ask you to just highlight a program that you'd like to point out. You talked about identity management, whole bunch of pieces and parts that you're snapping in for this architecture. Tell us about a program you'd like to highlight.
So to me, there are three main attributes to a successful zero trust program.
Mm-hmm.
The first piece is the architecture itself, and like everyone's been saying, the first piece is the identity, because having a standardized identity management approach is a foundation to establishing a zero trust framework. And the second piece is the zero trust broker itself, because the broker would leverage the validation of the identity and route the access and request to unauthorized applications or network. And then lastly is, of course, is the endpoint protection, because, it will automate a continuous monitoring and assist in incident response and detecting, abnormal activity within the zero trust architecture. So because with a traditional network, when a compromise happens, and intruders can leverage, its access to move lateral across applications and systems within the trusted network. But within the zero trust architecture, in an event of a compromise, it will minimize the blast radius and it will, help us rapidly contain the incident. And so the secondly is, of course, having a zero trust strategy, because, this is very important, because before the implementation, we need clear goals and objectives to measure our success. And then lastly is stakeholders communication, because we found that it is very, very important to gain the buy-in of our components to increase collaboration efforts, within the department, so that we can shape a zero trust solution that works for the department.